Carruthers Auto Shredder, serial number 20067, SH20067. There's our tag. This is a Carruthers Auto Shredder, and it's complete, except I'm waiting for the auger and one piece to put the cage together, and then it's complete. So just kind of walk around it. You raise and lower the drum. You get your throughput with this. Okay, come on around here. You've got a gauge here that tells you your angle. Right now we're level, we're about on 0. But as you tilt it down, you've got your scale here that tells you your angle that you're tilting it down. So it's just a matter of dialing it in. You know, the longer the product dwells in the drum, the more it's shredded. So if you tip it up, gravity doesn't feed it through as quickly, so you get a finer shred. And there are some adjustments on the inside cage that helps with that. And as well as, come around here, you have the controls for the drum, the disintegrator bar down the center, and then the cage on the outside that runs inside the drum. So it's kind of a misnomer, but there's a cage that scrapes the drum and helps drop the product onto the center bar, disintegrator bar. And that's what all this does. So turn it on. And this is for a conveyor. Should the customer ever decide to put a conveyor on it, I can actually open this to show you. There's a VFD, so you're all set. There we go. There's an extra VFD to run a conveyor. So that's in here, you're good to go. Just hook it up and you can control the speed of the conveyor, how much product you feed with the rheostat. So all your controls are on rheostat. The factory had a complicated touchscreen panel that was very difficult to understand. So this makes it simple. Once you get your product figured out, you set it on your settings, go back to them every time, set your drum angle, and you can produce basically the same product every time without having to go to a complicated touchscreen. Touchscreens are expensive, and the PLCs and all that to replace, you know, and this is a washed down environment and you have issues. New control system, your VFDs, your safeties, power switch. The only thing I have left to do is I got to secure some wires here. I'm waiting for the glue to dry on some hold downs, wire hold downs. And then I have labels coming that show you you're ready. As an example, yeah. Anyway, that light comes on when your safeties are met and the machine's ready. You got your start, your stop, and of course your rheostats for your 3 operations on the machine. The oil's been all changed in the gearboxes. They've been run. Everything is drawing the correct amount of amps. So the 3 motors and gearboxes are healthy. They're fine. Actually, 2 gearboxes and 3 motors. There's no gearbox on the disintegrator bar motor. You've got your safety switches. You've got 2 guards on this, on your safety. So basically, when you take the key out, then you can put it in your. I'll show you here on this one. So you can open this if I get it right, and then you can access the parts inside the drum and clean out. Okay, you can't open that and you can't start the machine without this key back inside the safety circuit receptacle. I get this to work. A little adjustment left to doing this. Come on, dude. Anyway, take my word for it. I'll have to adjust that. So again, the keys have to go in here for the machine to run. Okay, that's your safety. So you can't pull the keys out with the doors open. So that's your safety guarding system. Stop start, e-stop is located here on the side, so anybody up on the mezzanine can hit it, and somebody here on the ground can reach it to hit it. It's more accessible this way. And again, I have the labels being made right now. I should have those tomorrow, but that's where we're at with this machine.